Hi, I'm going to go do a walkthrough of my dog photo journal. It measures 6 by 6. It has a flip up in the front where you could put a photo of your dog, a little tuck spot here, magnetic closure, then it has a nice ribbon closure on the side. Open it up, and to the right we have a magnetic closure that flips open, and a big pocket to put journaling or photos in there. Close that, open the right side, and it has a little tuck spot with some tags, and also a pocket to the right with 2 journaling or photo cards. And you can fit photos that are like 3 by 4 or 3 by 3, even a little 2 by 2 if you wanted to put it on the front, right here or right there. And then you just close it up. Here's the back, and that's it.